Hey, it's Lorance with the Charboneau Real Estate Group, out here at our newest listing in one of the most coveted subdivisions and lake communities in all of Kansas City, Raintree Lake. An over 240-acre private lake, Raintree is an active community featuring ample walking trails, an immaculate clubhouse, and a zero-entry Olympic-style pool. And behind me is our newest listing, a highly sought-after, custom-built ranch home featuring all main-level living, that open floor plan you've been looking for, a walkout basement with a giant second kitchenette area, an oversized workshop, and on top of that, for you gardeners out there, we have a gardening area and a tool locker right underneath your deck. Let's check it out.